Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take these sticks and make these shapes on it and cut it. Now fix all of them together part by part as shown in the video. Now make a M-like shape and fix the rubber bands. Now fix it over the stick like this. Fix its rubber band on the back and it's done. Next, so join them like this and cut it. Give it a shape and fix the sticks on the front and the back. Now make a clip-like shape on the back and fix it with the help of a rubber band. Now put an arrow in it and it's done. Next, we'll be taking these sticks. Then we'll be cutting it from the back, or just put a piece of stick in the front and fix another one over it, and then fix these small pieces on the back. Now make a clip-like shape by fixing a rubber band. Now put these same pieces of sticks another way like this, and then we have to put the rubber band to fix it, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the wooden cardboard sheet and then we'll be cutting it out like this, or just take a broad wood and then cut it with the help of a cutter. Now fix the rubber band over it after fixing all the pieces and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the piece of stick and then we'll be joining it in such a way to get this toy. So fix them by cutting it like this. So watch these shapes how we have cut it. Now fix it with the help of these small sticks and make its handle. Now after that it will look like a pistol and it's done. Next, take a green color stick like this and then make a hole in it. Now you have to cut it like this and fix another stick in the between. Make the lines over it and then cut it. Now you have to fix the rubber band by putting it like this and fix it with the bow and it's done. Next, we'll be taking a piece of stick like this, or you can use these plastic sticks also. So fold it using the heat on the area you want to bend. Now fix them together with the help of a rubber band. Now tie the rubber bands together to bend it and it's ready. Next, we'll be making this pistol. So first, we'll be taking the wooden cardboard sheets or the wooden sticks, and then we'll be cutting them in the shape and fix it. Now make its handle. Now on the downside, to fix its clutch, we'll be fixing the clip like this by cutting it. Now fix the bullet inside it, or the bow you can say, or the arrow, and it's done. Next, we'll be making this clip or DIY pistol-like shape. So first, we'll be taking this paper clips and then fix it with the help of a stick like this, and then spread it from the top and put a rubber band on the back of it, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the wooden cardboard sheets and paste them on the sides like this. Now take another one, make a hole on it and fix it on the top. Now you can put the press of it on the back and fix it with the rubber bands like this, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the straw-like shape, or you can take a pen lead. Now after that, we will be cutting it like this and then cut it from the front as well. Now fix it with the pin like this. Now after that, we'll be putting the pin over the back of it and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.